Good afternoon, it's Peter Boulton. I'm on a 2-day seminar which is really teaching us about brand, not branding, but brand. And really, what does that mean? And one of the things about brand is that you need to identify what are called the campaignable assets within your business. We talked about this yesterday on our first day, but today it's trying to actually find out what are the assets, the campaignable assets within our own businesses. And if we can really help to understand what those are, we have an opportunity to promote those out to the marketplace. And the course has been really good. Darren Sherlaw and Lindsay Boyd are the two leaders of the course, who are both, legends really within the branding and marketing industry. And it's always good to spend time with other people, learning what they do and how they do it, and how perhaps we can be better in our own businesses. So as time goes on, hopefully I can share other ideas with you that I'm getting from the course. I'm now just taking a few moments out to consider a little bit more closely what the assets might be in my business and how we can then use those assets to be able to win business as we move further forward. Anyway, look, food for thought, but I'll let you get on. Cheers, bye.